Saka yun, kunin mo yung bird.
What can you say about the education here in the Philippines?
Yun pa. Ay, lagay mo na lang to dun. Yung tinapay yun.